Sawyer, what do you think we tell everybody what's been happening the last couple of days? Now that spring is here and the birds are making nests in the trees and they're not loving Jake. Can we share with everybody, Jake? So there is a bird that is swooping Jake and it's really mad because I guess Jake's been harassing the birds. I'm gonna try to open the door and see. Oh, there he is. My truck. He's not happy. Jake just ran, I think, under the porch. He was scared. Oh, there he is. He's hiding. There he is. Jake, you want to come in? Come on. Come on. That bird's got nothing on you. It's okay. I just woke up to a bird making a lot of noise outside. You know which bird it is. And Jake's on the back porch. This bird really has beef with Jake. Jake's holding his own this time. I think he wants to come in. Oh, he's hiding under the deck. Let's go get him. And I know Sawyer is not going to be happy. I'm not going to be happy about this. Come on, buddy. Oh! Oh, look at this bird. We gotta see. No, you gotta go see Jake. All right, Sawyer's taking care of the birds, because I saw two now. I tell you, these birds are just mad at Jake. And Sawyer's not having it, by the way. He just chased that bird. You want to come in, Jake? Okay. Oh, the bird just went after him again. But Sawyer is his protector. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see if the bird comes back with Sawyer being there. I hear it. You coming in? You're gonna leave him alone? It's in those trees over there. Oh, there it is. And Jake's just chilling. He doesn't really care, I guess, now. Are you coming? No. Are you coming in or not? I'm not sure. Shiloh, you coming in? Come on, girl. Come on. She's having a little trouble getting up the stairs these days. Poor girl. Come on. I usually help her, but if I feel like she can do it, then I feel like it's kind of good for her to be getting that little bit of exercise. Come on, sweetheart. No? Okay, you want me to get you? I'm actually scared this bird's gonna swoop me. Hi, Jake. Hi, honey. You all good? These birds, man. Come on, guys. Thank you, Sawyer. Gosh, you're all wet, though. Ew. Yuck. I guess the grass is all wet. Ugh. Nobody can handle anybody else getting attention here. See who pushed Quincy off my leg. That is fresh. Come on, Quincy. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see everybody really soon. Bye. And here's Jake. More comfy inside. Do you have to?